These are the JBL Club Series car speakers. They are some of our best sounding, most versatile car speakers. If you are looking to just replace your factory speakers with something better, the Club Series speakers are efficient enough to give you a lot of sound from your factory radio, even though factory radios don't have a lot of power. The Club Series speakers have a slightly lower impedance than most speakers, which means they can get more power out of whatever you are powering them with. And if you want even more sound, you can of course power them with a new radio or a separate amplifier. The larger sizes can handle amplifier power up to 85 watts of RMS power per speaker. And as great as they will sound with your factory radio, just wait till you hear how good they sound with more power. The Club Series speakers all have an edge-driven silk dome tweeter that sounds smooth and clear. And they all have a polypropylene +1 woofer that has a larger surface area than most speakers of the same size, giving you a fuller, richer sound while still fitting nicely into most cars. If you want to create the best front stereo soundstage you can, you should consider the Club 602 or 602 CTP component speakers. These have a separate tweeter you install higher up than the woofer, in your doors or on your dash or A-pillar. Mounting the tweeter separately like that raises the soundstage from down by your ankles up to where your ears are. The two-way or coaxial speakers are available in a bunch of sizes: 3.5 inch, 4 inch, 4x6, 5 1/4, 6.5s, 6x8s, and of course 6x9s. Even a shallow mount 6.5 inch for cars that don't have a lot of room for speakers. If you have any questions about these JBL Club speakers, go ahead and post it in the comments. And while you're at it, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.